Hi everyone. In this video we're going to learn a little bit about the control section of Scratch. So once again we're going to go ahead and create a new project, and I'm going to call it something like control example. And just like in the other ones, we want it to do something, so we're going to say when the green flag is clicked, let's move 10 steps forward. And just like when we did it before, if I click the green flag, it moves 10 steps forward. Not very exciting. Also, every time I want them to move, I have to click the green flag. What if I want something to happen a whole bunch of times? Well, in the control section, there are a lot of things that can help us do that. For example, this repeat block will repeat something however many times I type in this number right here. So if I try it with 10, it's going to move 10 steps 10 times. I can combine this with motion, so if I wanted to turn 15 degrees every single time, when I click the green flag this time, he starts making a circle. He goes 10 steps forward, then turns 15 degrees. If I do this 20 times, he'll do it 20 times. Of course, if I replace the repeat 20 with a forever loop, I think you can probably guess what's going to happen. Some other interesting things we can look at. We can have the sprite wait for a certain period of time. So this will slow him down a little bit. All right, so I've created a little program that adds on to what we learned in the previous video about motion and drawing with the pen. So going line by line, in the first line, I say when the green flag is clicked, go to 0, 0, which is the center of the screen. Clear any of the drawings I've made before. I don't want to draw on top of myself. And then put the pen down onto this paper. So now I'm going to use a repeat. I'm going to go 100 steps forward and turn not quite 180, but 160 degrees. And at the end I added a little hide command just so that the cat will disappear and you can see my beautiful drawing. What do you think is going to happen when I run this? 100 steps forward, turn not quite all the way back around, and repeat 10 times. Let's find out. So I made a star by going forward 100, turning right 160 degrees, forward 100, right 160, forward 100, right 160. So I did that 10 times, and that made my star. So now you should have all the tools you need in order to make a square. You should try to create it yourself from scratch, but if you need a little help, just rewind the video and you can see how I did this.